Hey everybody, welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show.
Yippee! This is item number
12.
I had to take off my shoe to count it.
Sponsored by the Auto Shop.
Who?
The Auto Shop in beautiful Plano, Texas.
Beautiful Plano, Texas.
All right, I have a car question for you, Jerry.
I don't want to talk about cars today.
Too bad. It's the Auto Shop. Sponsored by the Auto Shop. Okay, so this is a question that someone asked us on our Google page, and the question is, why should I stop my car when it overheats?
That's a great question. Laura, that's a great question.
Whoever
posted that, thank you for asking that.
You did good.
So most of the time when you're driving down the road, your engine is doing what it's supposed to, your cooling system's doing what it's supposed to, and there are no indicator lights and the gauges are in the normal range. If your car starts to overheat, what will happen, so let's go to a little basic here.
Don't get too detailed.
Oh, I want to build a watch, not just tell the time.
We might zoom out or click and go to something else.
Okay, well, the antifreeze or the coolant that's in the engine is cooled by the radiator as you're driving down the road and the fans. So the coolant cools down the engine and prevents it from overheating. When something happens and the cooling system is not functioning properly and you're driving down the road, the heat of the engine will continue to increase until something really bad happens with the engine, like you could blow a head gasket or crack a cylinder head.
So what does that mean? Like, really? That means like
thousands and thousands of dollars.
Oh, okay.
That's what it means.
Like you need a new engine.
Yes. In a word, yes. You can, if your car is overheating and you continue to drive it, you can, in fact, destroy the engine in your vehicle, and it will require replacement of the engine. Not a good thing.
Not good.
When the buzzers are going off and the lights are blinking, you are not going to win a prize. I'm just going to tell you. You are not winning a prize.
But you could win a prize by coming to the Auto Shop, actually. And if you are on our mailing list, then you get the monthly newsletter. And actually, February's winner is Sheila Bennett. She wins a free oil change. So that's pretty cool. And also...
Wait a minute, before you get into that, remember while we're talking about emails and newsletters and whatnot, please check your spam folder, or if you get an email from email@shoppro.com, that's actually us. It's
email from the autoshop.com.
No, it comes out from shoppro.com.
Oh.
Email@shoppro.com. That's the company that we use our customer database through that manages the auto repair invoices. So all of your records go through that company, and we're trying a new system with them, and we're sending out coupons. Coupons.
We have all kinds of coupons. So there's email coupons.
That could be better than a prize.
Yes. Email coupons, and there's coupons in the newsletter. And then also, when you come in, we have little toys.
We have a collector series now.
What did you call them? Cuddly creatures?
Cuddly creatures. Yes, they're cuddly creatures. They're just delightful.
This one's a little dog, and it says, "Don't bark up the wrong tree. Come see us at the Auto Shop and get 10% off labor." So that one. And then
this is a long-legged rabbit that
this
says...
one's really soft.
It says, "You'll be happy to see us."
Happy to see us. And so, we have all kinds of coupons. So make sure that you check your email to look for those. And look for the in-car little gifts. Oh, little sucker almost got away.
He was upset because you picked up the dog.
I love them both.
Okay, Mom.
I love them both. Okay, so if your engine starts overheating,
please turn it off.
The dash light comes on, turn it off. Have it towed here. Just call us. We'll send a tow truck. If you have AAA, you can use AAA. Get it over here before something bad happens. Do not continue to drive it, especially if smoke is coming out the back.
Yeah, that's a bad thing. So we had someone who decided to drive their car to the shop because it was overheating. I said, "Let me send a tow truck." They said, No. I can make it. I'm only a few miles away. Well, it stopped at Campbell and 75. And
3 miles from here.
3 miles from here, and it needed a complete new engine for... almost $15,000.
Could have saved them $15,000 if they had just gotten a tow truck.
Yeah, that would have been the best tow truck money they ever spent, and they didn't.
Oh, we have to end on a happy note somehow.
Oh, I have a happy note. I drove down on Monday to go to Austin to go see my son, and we had a great visit.
Oh, great.
Yeah, and it was while I was on Austin, or while I was driving back from Austin, there was a truck, and it blew the left front tire, and it started swerving. So, on a good note, please bring your car in. We will check your tires for free.
Oh,
I don't want
yeah.
anybody to ever have that nightmare. Let me tell you, I was behind the truck, and I saw him weaving all over the place, and everybody behind me, and we all hit our brakes really hard because we didn't know what was going to happen with the truck. So, please, bring your car. Bring
why
it
was
by.
it swerving?
Well, he lost control of the front wheel because the front tire blew.
Oh.
And so he was trying to maintain control, and he was pulling the trailer. So, I mean, it could have been a
That's
catastrophic
scary.
thing.
That's scary.
Yeah, and if you had someone who actually checked his tires, it probably never would have happened. Or they would have said, hey, replace this tire now before you get on the highway.
Yep. Okay.
So we'll do all that for you for free.
We'll check
and
your tires, too.
that's all I got.
Okay, me too.
All that in a bag of chips. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.